Do you want a passive income stream? Then this might be the perfect opportunity for you. One of the most common misconceptions about making money online is that you need to spend a lot of time working on your business. In this video, I'll show you how to create passive income streams that allow you to earn money while you sleep. Don't miss this opportunity. Watch the full video now and get started. First, if you are new here, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell to follow for more. Now let's start. Are you looking for a way to make money online? You're not alone. Millions of people are looking for ways to create passive income and live life on their terms. The great news is that you make money while you sleep. Mysterium Node is a platform that offers making money opportunities while you sleep. If you're in need of some additional income, this opportunity certainly seems worthwhile. It is an easy way to earn passive income. Mysterium Node is a peer-to-peer bandwidth marketplace, powering a network-as-a-service solution. Sell your unused bandwidth and earn crypto passive income. Mysterium Node application is easy, just a few clicks to get you up and running. Your personal dashboard tracks your earnings and contributions. Connect to your home from anywhere. Want to access television shows from your home when you're on the road? Set up a node and connect to it when you're away. Get started in 3 easy steps. 1. Install Mysterium Node on your internet-connected device. Software is available for Windows, macOS, Linux, Raspberry Pi, and Avado. 2. Start sharing your IP address with others, even while you work or sleep, and help power the decentralized internet. 3. Start earning. Users and businesses connect to your node via DVPN application. You earn MYST based on shared bandwidth and time. Earnings are based on your region, the amount of bandwidth, and the time you can contribute to the network. The more users who connect to your stable node, the higher your earning potential. The following factors influence your potential earnings. The number of IP addresses you offer. Your earnings are determined by the number of different IP addresses connected to different devices. You will not increase your earnings by having multiple devices connected to the same IP address. The speed of your network. The faster the speed of your internet connection, the better the service you provide to the network. A quality connection is considered to have speeds of 50 megabits per second and more. Your location. Different regions have different user demands for VPN services. The more demand is in your region, the more earnings you can expect. To get your rewards, you'll need a crypto wallet. Set up this payment method before joining Mysterium Node, since it's the only one. Once you've earned 5 MYST, it will be sent automatically to your wallet. You can also just manually withdraw your earnings if you don't want the software to send your earnings to your crypto wallet automatically. You just have to click the Settle Now button on the software dashboard. I hope this video has helped you in some way. If you found it valuable, give me a big thumbs up, comment saying, I like it, and check out also other videos for more making money methods. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to follow for more.